The crypto world has seen hype come and go, but every so often, something deeper stirs, something foundational. Today, that something is XRP. Yes, XRP is rising in price. But the real story behind the surge isn't technical indicators or whale wallets. It's something far more important. It's the growing belief that XRP might be the bridge connecting the old financial system to the new one. And at the heart of it all, central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Let's take a step back. The world is on the edge of a financial revolution. Over 130 countries, including global powerhouses like the United States, China, India, and members of the European Union, are actively researching or developing central bank digital currencies. These aren't just theoretical coins or blockchain experiments. These are government-backed digital versions of your national currency, programmable, traceable, and instantaneous. But as these countries race to digitize their money, a new problem emerges. Each CBDC is being built independently, with its own rules, technologies, and protocols. There's no universal language, no central channel of communication between them. And in an increasingly globalized world, that's a massive issue. If CBDCs can't speak to each other, how will international trade function? How will cross-border payments happen? What's the bridge that connects a digital dollar to a digital euro, or a digital yuan to a digital peso? Enter Ripple. Enter XRP. Ripple has been quietly positioning itself for years. Long before the hype, long before the lawsuits, Ripple Labs had one goal: to revolutionize the way value moves around the world. And at the center of that mission sits the XRP Ledger, a lightning-fast, low-cost blockchain optimized for payments. But recently, Ripple took it a step further. They launched a private version of the XRP Ledger designed specifically for central banks. This CBDC private ledger allows governments to issue their own digital currencies securely, quickly, and at scale, while still having the ability to interconnect globally through the XRP ecosystem. Already, countries are signing up. The Kingdom of Bhutan is working with Ripple to pilot a digital Ngultram. Palau is testing a USD-backed stablecoin using Ripple's blockchain. And behind closed doors, insiders confirm that Ripple is in talks with over 20 central banks, offering infrastructure, support, and most importantly, interoperability. Because that's the secret sauce that XRP isn't just a coin. It's a bridge. It can instantly convert one CBDC into another. It can connect national currencies that were never meant to speak the same language. It becomes the neutral layer in a world of digital currencies, the connective tissue between sovereign economies. That vision is what's driving the recent surge in price. Of course, price action is always influenced by multiple factors. RSI breakouts, whale moves, bullish news. But this time, something deeper is happening. There's growing institutional recognition that XRP might not just survive. It might thrive, not as a speculative asset, but as essential infrastructure for the future of money. And the market is taking notice that on-chain data shows a steady rise in XRP wallet activations. Not just retail, but large accounts with millions of tokens. Exchange inflows are shrinking. Whales are holding. And Ripple itself is expanding its CBDC-focused workforce, hiring engineers, government liaisons, and strategic partners across Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. Every piece of this puzzle points to one thing. XRP is preparing for something massive. Now, let's talk numbers, because that's what everyone really wants to know. That if Ripple's technology is adopted by even a handful of central banks, we're not talking about a $1 or $2 XRP anymore. We're talking about global transaction flow. Trillions of dollars moving across borders, powered by a neutral, scalable bridge asset. Some analysts have already adjusted their targets. eGrag, a prominent technical trader, has reaffirmed his $10 XRP projection. Others suggest that's conservative. In a world where XRP powers CBDC interoperability, $25 isn't impossible. Some ultra-bullish models even place XRP above $50. And while that might sound wild today, remember that in 2016, nobody thought Bitcoin would hit $70,000 either. It's about narrative. It's about use case. And most importantly, it's about adoption. Let's say just 5 major economies choose Ripple's tech. Suddenly, XRP is no longer a speculative asset. It's a global utility. It's embedded in the pipes of digital finance. And when money flows through pipes, value accumulates at the bottleneck. That bottleneck could be XRP. Now, let's be clear. There are still risks. The SEC case, while partially resolved, could still see appeals or regulatory changes. CBDC adoption is happening, but slowly. And there's always competition. Stellar, Ethereum, even private blockchains like Hyperledger could offer alternative paths. But Ripple has something most don't. Experience that they've been working with banks for nearly a decade. They've built corridors in Asia, Africa, and Europe. They've processed billions in cross-border transactions. And they've done it with a relentless focus on compliance, scalability, and performance.so. What should investors take away from all this? This moment may be one of the most important inflection points in XRP's history. For years, the community believed in a future where XRP powered global payments. Today, that future isn't just possible, it's unfolding in front of us. CBDCs are real. The infrastructure is being built. And Ripple is in the room where it's happening. So if you're holding XRP, you're not just holding a coin. You're holding a ticket to a potential seat at the table of the future financial system. Now, whether that turns into $10 or $100, nobody can say for sure. But one thing is clear. The fundamentals are aligning. The partnerships are expanding. And the utility narrative is stronger than ever. In a space filled with noise, XRP is building signal. And the signal says, the world is changing. And XRP might just be the bridge that holds it all together. XRP has officially broken out of a long-standing bullish pennant pattern on the weekly chart, signaling renewed strength in the market. This technical formation had been developing since the early months of 2025, following XRP's initial breakout into the $3 price range, a level it hadn't touched since back in 2018. Although the asset experienced multiple dips below the $2 mark during this period, it repeatedly found solid support around that level, suggesting strong underlying demand. After several weeks of sideways consolidation, bullish momentum has taken over, propelling XRP above $3.53, a significant milestone for the current cycle. At the moment, XRP appears to be experiencing a short-term cool-down, a natural phase, after such an aggressive rally. Still, analysts remain optimistic. Many believe this is simply a pause before the next upward leg, which could push XRP into uncharted price territory. Fibonacci levels suggest higher targets. Technical analyst Tony Edward has identified key Fibonacci extension levels that could act as future resistance and price targets if XRP continues to climb. The first immediate goal is at the 1.618 Fibonacci level, around $4.49. A breakout beyond that opens the path towards $6.26 at the 2.618 extension, followed by $8.04 at the 3.618 level. The most ambitious target currently plotted is the 4.236 Fibonacci extension, which sits just above $9.13.